So here we are with the Mossberg 590 Shockwave. Just got done installing the Defender Tactical shell adapter. That should allow you to run full-size shells and mini shells without having to change out and possibly lose an adapter. It's slid into the internal rails here just before the trigger group. So it's nice and solid and secure, and it's not going to fall out. So let's give this a try. So I'm going to take some longer shells, and recycle. Just fine. Now for some mini shells. And recycle. Look at that. Works like a charm. Now, let's try alternating mini shells and regular shells and see how we do. There we go. 6 shells, 3 mini shells, 3 standard shells, and let's see. Empty. I'd say that's a win.